I need to feel complete. Your voice is so sweet, so sweet. I need to feel the same, the same. I know that we.
Ladies and gentlemen, find a good spot. Top 8 is about to begin. Get a good vantage point. We've opened up the other side of the track. Michael Prosnick, the people's champ, to lead. Josh Rogers on the chase.
Josh Rogers keeping it pinned to try and keep up. Prosnick, nice hard flick. Out on that clipping point. Josh trying to do everything he can to keep up. Sacrificing line.
Josh Rogers closing the gap though. Josh Rogers on that proximity towards the end. Josh Rogers absolutely manhandling that S14 to keep up with Michael Prosnick.
Prosnick running that wide qualifying line, touching all the clips. Perfect, exactly what the judges want to see. Cam Martin, Adrian Pinaro. Cam having a trouble getting up the line there. Lots of misfires, having to throw the car in really deep. Age is keeping it just with him. Cam missing that second clipping point.
Pinaro putting on that smoke show towards the end there. Cam Martin doing a pretty impressive lead run. Cam Martin unfortunately not pushing far enough to that clipping point. And it is Ace Pinaro through to the next round. Cam Martin putting up an impressive fight. Speaking of impressive fights, Ace Valesky to chase Jason Ferrin in the R31 JZ Wagon. Big entry from both drivers, bit of distance there. Ace is going to have to push now. Jason Ferrin putting on a pretty impressive lead run. Bit too shallow in that clipping point, allowing Ace to catch up. Alace coming off boost. Jason Ferrin putting out a pretty conservative lead run, not pushing very far to that clipping point, but unfortunately Ace Valesky not pushing hard enough through that second section, coming off the gas entirely.
Up next, you've got Justin Gurener. Stefan Obradovic.
Stefan Obradovic to lead. Justin Gurener the chase. Big entry from both drivers. Justin Gurener a bit further away than he'd like to be. Stefan pushing hard. Nice and wide. Cutting the wall. Both drivers almost clipping the wall there. Justin Gurener all over him though. Stefan Obradovic putting a very impressive lead run to try and make up for his spin on his chase, but Justin Gurener too consistent. And your winner from Stefan Obradovic and Justin Gurener through to the next round. And we are ready to go for your top 4. Michael Prosnick, the people's champ, to lead Ace Pinaro in the 1JS13. Your first battle of the top 4 is underway, ladies and gentlemen.
LS versus 1J. Michael Prosnick, big flick, up on the wall. Ace Pinaro jumping on him.
Michael Prosnick pushing hard, lots of angle coming out wide.
Ace Pinaro locking up. Michael Prosnick throwing it hard up on the wall, coming back down, not so close. But Ace Pinaro coming through the smoke like days of thunder, pushing up.
Should be an interesting battle, we'll soon find out. Justin Gurener to lead, Jason Ferrin, here we go.
Justin Gurener, reigning champ, can he hold on? Is Jason Ferrin gonna upset him? Jason jumping up on him.
Justin Gurener pushing wide ever so consistently. Jason Ferrin all over him though. Nice switchback from both drivers. Jason Ferrin all over Justin Gurener. Strong run from both these two drivers. Both drivers nailing the clipping points. Justin Gurener going out wide enough to allow Jason Ferrin to chase as closely as he can for the second battle. Ace Pinaro in the 1JZ13 to lead the people's champ, Michael Prosnick.
Ace Pinaro in the lead. Prosnick coming in with the dive. Is he going to put it on his door? He's closing in on him.
Michael Prosnick pushing hard. Here we go for that dive bomb. Here he is.
He's
both
there.
drivers swapping paint.
Michael Prosnick right on his door. Ace Pinaro feeling the pressure there, not pushing out all the way to that second clip point, but still putting out a killer lead run. But Michael Prosnick absolutely applying that pressure, knocking on his door saying, "G'day, mate. I'm here. I'm back. Let's go." Jason Ferrin. Justin Gurener on the chase. Justin jumping up on him.
Ferrin working hard to push that wagon as hard as he can towards that clear point.
Ferrin put on a fantastic lead run, but Justin Gurener is sticking to him.
Justin Gurener almost overtaking him on the exit.
Judges, are you ready? Spectators, are you guys ready? Some of you are. Let's go. Jason Ferrin in the lead. Ace Panara in the chase.
Jason Ferrin hasn't even overtaken him yet. Edges around him. Ace Panaro closing that gap. Jason Ferrin entering around Ace Panaro. Pushing wide towards that wall. Wasn't wide enough. Ace Panaro sticking to his rear door.
Ace Panaro right on Jason Ferrin's door. Woo!
Unusual entry style from Jason Ferrin, letting Ace Panaro, though he's chasing, stay in front of him, then enter around him. Could this be a new thing?
All right, we got the boys coming back around. Ace Panaro on the lead. Jason Ferrin on the chase. Ace Panaro S13. Jason Ferrin R31 Wagon.
Jason Ferrin absolutely staying with him for that first section, but Ace Panaro pulling away. Jason Ferrin losing that rear bar. Jason Ferrin cutting that line, sticking to his door on the exit. Jason Ferrin showing maximum aggression on that chase. For some reason wasn't able to close the gap with the initial entry and then lost the rear bar. Making their way for the final battle of the day. Battle for first place. Justin Gurener in the Eastern Wheelworks R33. Michael Prosnick, the people's champ, to chase. Final battle, let's go. Big energy from both drivers. Justin Gurener pushing hard, locking up that front wheel. Michael Prosnick pulling away a little bit. Justin Gurener reeling him in. Michael Prosnick now in that flipping point. Justin Gurener all over him though. That is too close to call, ladies and gentlemen. A near perfect run from both the lead and the chase driver.
Wowee.
Justin Gurener all over Prosnick like white on rice. Can Michael Prosnick come back after a long hiatus and take it? We don't know. Justin Gurener to lead, Michael Prosnick to chase. Big entry from both drivers. Michael Prosnick pushing hard.
Oh, Michael Prosnick pushing up hard. Justin Gurener still running the right line there. But Michael Prosnick stepping it up.
Michael Prosnick maximum aggression through that secondary part. Justin Gurener a very impressive lead run, but Michael Prosnick full aggression.
The judges are smirking. Oh, I'm going to get a nod. They have a result. There is a winner. Battle for third place. Ace Panaro and Jason Ferrin. The winner for third place is Ace Panaro. You did pretty well today, man. You've been doing pretty well the last, 6 to 12 months. What's the secret?
I think I found the secret. The less I sleep, the better I drive.
And we're on to the pointy end of this battle royale. Justin Gurener did pretty well the last 2 rounds. How do you think you went this one so far?
I think Pros won it. He drove like a champ, slapping my cars. He's coming past here. Couldn't help but laugh. It was awesome battle.
Pros, how did you think? You haven't done an event down here for a while, and
Got no idea. I was just having too much fun having battles. I've done a lot of comps, and that was the best fun I've had in a long time.
someone had to stop Justin Gurener in his tracks. And that man is Michael Prosnick for first place.